मंगळारा नागवा पंचायतीत उपसरपंच पदा खातीर वेंचणूक जाल्ली। उपसरपंच पदाचेर मारिया काब्राल हांची निवड जाल्या। आर्डिक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
काल पर्यंत आय वॉज व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट। सगळ्यांनी म्हाका अप्रोच जाल्लो, सगळ्यांनी म्हाका उत्तर दिल्लें दे वील सपोर्ट मी। इनफॅक्ट सम ऑफ देम इवन सेड दॅट यू आर द ओनली कॅपेबल फॉर डेप्युटी। पूण अनफॉर्च्युनेटली आय डोंट नो काल रातच्या भितर कितें जालें तें। So suddenly Maria Cabralan nomination form आलें। When I had approached her, she said she was not interested. पण हांवें ताका तेन्ना सांगलेलें, हांवें प्रत्येकाक सांगलेलें तुमी कोण इंटरेस्टेड जाल्यार I will support you. पूण प्रत्येकान सांगलें की you go ahead, including Maria. So today suddenly she has filed nominations, and as you have seen, 5 of them have supported her. So that means when majority of them they have elected her. So I respect the decision of all my members.
मागीर हांव आनी एडवोकेट दिलेश्वर नायक मारलेलो दोगांयचे भितर आमी 7 मेंबर्स आउट ऑफ डेट ताका 2 आनी म्हाका 5।
तेंचें म्हणणें आसा की तुमी सडनली आयज फॉर्म भरले म्हणून, म्हणजे तेंचें म्हणणें आशिल्लें की कोणूय समज आनी इंट्रस्टेड आसा जाल्यार आपूण ताका सपोर्ट करता। सो काल पर्यंत तुमी फॉर्म भरतले म्हण अशें खबर नाशिल्लें।
ना हांवें म्हणलें आय वील टेक माय ओन डिसिजन। आय कांट टेल यू नाव बिकॉज आय हॅव आस्क्ड माय सपोर्टर्स। सपोर्टर येताना हांव सांगतली, आजू पर्यंत हांवें डिसिजन घेयलो ना। तो एक फावट म्हाका सपोर्टरां वयताना सुद्दां हांव हें जालें लॉजीक पडलें, ताका लागून म्हाका एक फावट ओके सारकें तें लास्ट मे कॉन्टेस्ट हांव आनी मुखार बसपाना। ताका लागून हांवें चिंतून स्टेप घेतला अकॉर्डिंग टू माय सपोर्टर्स।
तुमी हाजे पयलीं पंच आशिल्ली?
हांव पयलीं एक सरपंच इन 2000 completed 5 years. Second time as a punch for 5 years, and this is my 3rd term.
Since there was 2 candidates contesting for the post of Deputy Sarpanch, the presiding officer declared that the voting shall take place for Deputy Sarpanch. He explained the procedure of voting by marking X only against the candidate for his/her choice. Accordingly, the ballot papers were prepared in Form 5 for the post of Deputy Sarpanch and issued one by one separately to all members. All the members cast their votes and put the ballot paper in the ballot box kept in front of the presiding officer. Srimati Cabral has polled 5 votes. Advocate Dileshwar has polled 2 votes. Since Srimati Maria Cabral has polled highest number of votes, the presiding officer declared her elected as Deputy Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Nagwa, and copy of Form 6 is issued to the elected Deputy Sarpanch.